Next, let's write incomes amount dot add incomes dot data. Give it a key named amount to get the value. And now both names and amounts of the incomes are gonna be added to our list from the Firebase server. Finally, let's write notify listeners. Once we are done over here, we can go back to the expense mobile file as it's time to run these two functions here. So write view model provider dot expenses stream and view model provider dot income stream. Now we need to make sure these lines run only once. If we left it like this, the class expense view mobile would rerun the entire build function every few seconds and we would surely reach our monthly free limit of data reads in Firestore within a few minutes. Now to make sure this never happens, let's create a bool variable called isLoading and give it an initial value of true. Next, let's wrap these two functions with brackets and write if isLoading equals true, as this way we are gonna run them. At the end, let's set the isLoading value to false. So let me explain what's happening here. When the user opens the dashboard page or restarts it, all the lines from the file run and those two functions run as well. And then the isLoading value is set to false. Now the build function keeps running again and again due to the hook widgets and the widgets inside it. When the build function runs again after the entire file has run, once the value of isLoading remains false, therefore the functions don't run as well. It is only when we restart the app or open the page again, the isLoading variable is created and its value becomes true. The last thing we need to do on this page is to create a function for the reset button.